Today I'm making wild greens bread rolls. First thing I did was to take a stroll around the garden, collecting all the edible greens I could find. I've got ground elder here. Ground elder has a habit of taking everything over, but in its defense, it's very tasty and also free, which are two of my favorite things. I'm also picking nettles, also super tasty, but tend to be kind of mean, so I'm wearing gloves. Oh, lovage! A very underrated herb. Also looks so pretty in the garden. I've collected a whole bowl full of greens. I have the ones I already mentioned. I also grabbed some dandelion greens and wild garlic. After collecting, let them sit for a few minutes to allow any invertebrate friends who may have gotten caught up to escape, and then give them a good wash. Alright, we have the wild greens part covered, so now let's move on to the bread roll part. Get a big bowl and 2 pounds of flour. Make a little well. Then put a spoonful of dry yeast in the well. Add a little warm water, not too hot, not boiling, but pleasantly warm. Stir the dry yeast into the water and then cover it up with some flour. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and leave it alone for 20 minutes. When you uncover it, there should be some bubbles and it should smell of yeast. Add 50 ml of sunflower oil, 400 ml of warm water, and stir into a dough. If you feel like it's too dry, add more water, little by little. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for at least an hour this time. While the dough is resting, drain the greens and cut them into small pieces. I'm removing some of the thicker lovage stems because they tend to get a little woody. Once the resting time is up, uncover the dough and marvel how big our baby has become. Add a tablespoon of sea salt, and now add the greens. Then knead into a dough. This will take some time, but that's the fun part to me. Get a baking dish and coat it with sunflower oil. Form the rolls. Remember, they'll get bigger in the oven, so make them a little on the small side now. Ran out of space, so got a second one. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and let them rest for 20 minutes. Preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius, then bake for 50 minutes. Oh, beautiful. The rolls in the other baking dish were already confiscated by my aunt. This is a call-out post. My favorite way to eat these is unexpectedly with sweet toppings. There's something about sweet and savory that just goes so well together. This morning I'm having wild greens rolls with quince jelly, and it was the perfect breakfast. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe?